Welcome to the Mastercam 2019 Mill Advanced Video Training Series tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, we will create the 3D CAD model used to generate toolpaths. We will create a wireframe model to create the solid. We will create a swept surface. We will create half of the solid using solid extrude. We will extrude cut the hole in the middle. We will trim the top of the solid with a surface. We will use Boolean add to create one solid. We will learn how to create the stock using solids in Mastercam. We will select a machine definition and set up the stock. A solid will be used as the stock model. Other stock models will be created to check the finished toolpaths. A surface high-speed area roughing toolpath with rest material will be created to rough out the part. A surface high-speed radial toolpath will be created to finish the part. A surface finish blend toolpath will be created to machine closer to the sharp edges of the part. A transform rotate toolpath will be used to rotate the blend surface to complete the part. Backplot and verify will be used to simulate the tool's movements. Finally, we will post-process the file to obtain an NC file containing the necessary code for the machine. Select Wireframe, and then select Circle Center Point. Change the diameter to 2 and press Enter. Then select the origin. Press OK and create new operation. Change the diameter to 4 and press Enter. Then select the origin again. Press OK to exit the command. Select Line Endpoints. Make sure type is set to freeform and tangent. Then select Auto Cursor and select Quadrant. Select roughly here. Select Auto Cursor again and select Quadrant. Then sketch approximately here. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Divide. Set the type to Trim. Select this portion of the arc, and then this one. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Levels. Give Level 1 the name Solid Wireframe, and press Enter. Change the level to 2, and give it the name Surface, and press Enter. Then, click in the Visible column for Level 1 to hide the display of the wireframe. Select Point Position. Select the fast point icon and enter the coordinates as 0, 1, 0 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Select the fast point icon and enter the coordinates as -1, 0, -0.5 and press Enter. OK and create new operation. Fast point icon and enter the coordinates 0, -1, -1 and press Enter. OK and create new operation. Fast point icon 0, 2, 0 and press Enter. OK and create new operation. Fast point icon -2, 0, -0.5. Press Enter. OK and create new operation. Fast point icon 0, -2, -1 and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Change your view to isometric. Right-click in the graphics area and make sure 3D construction mode is enabled. Then select Arc 3 Points. Select the first point here, select this point, and then select this point. Press OK and create new operation. Select this point, and then this point. Then press OK to exit the command. In the Quick Masks area, click on Select All Point Entities. Then press Delete on your keyboard. Select Line Endpoints. Select this endpoint, and then this one. Press OK to exit the command. Next, we will use Sweep Surface. Sweep Surface is a surface generated by translating or rotating one or more contours, which is across curves, along one or two other contours, which is along curves. This command is used when the across section of the surface at any point is constant, which is when the surface is generated from one across contour and one along contour. This is also used when the across section at any section is not constant, which is when the surface is generated from two or more across contours and one along contour. You can have a maximum of 2 along contours and just 1 across contour. Select Surfaces. Then select Sweep. Change the chaining method to Single. And select this line as the across contour. Then press OK. Change the method to Single again. Select this arc, and then select this arc, and press OK. Change the method to 2 rails. Then press OK to exit the command. To be able to trim a solid to a surface, the surface edges need to overlap the edges of the solid. In this step, we will use Create Surface Extend to extend all of the surface edges by a small amount. Select Extend. Under Method by Distance, set it to 0.05 and change the style to Linear. Select the surface, drag the arrow to this edge, and click. Press OK and create new operation. Select the surface here, drag the arrow to this edge, and click. And repeat the process with all of the edges. Then press OK to exit the command.